If you're on the fence about the iGarden K-Series cordless pool cleaner, here are some of the top questions answered. I was given this product for free by the brand in exchange for my honest review. First, does it actually clean the walls? Yes, absolutely. That was one thing that really impressed me, is that it doesn't just stay on the bottom. It actually climbs the walls and cleans all the way up and past the waterline. Does it work for different pool shapes? Yes, it's got this really smart AI navigation that maps out your pool instead of just cleaning randomly. So it's actually designed to work with a variety of pool shapes, both in-ground and above ground. How long does the battery last in this iGarden K-Series automatic pool cleaner? I found that you can get up to about 4 hours of vacuum time, which really is enough for most pools, depending on the size, of course. Is it difficult to use? No, not at all. All you have to do is charge it, and then using either the touchscreen or the app, you can select your cleaning mode. Then you can simply drop it into the water, and there it goes. It starts cleaning right away. How hard is it to clean the pool vacuum after it's done? This is actually probably the easiest part. All you have to do is remove this debris basket, rinse it out with a hose, and now it's ready for the next cleaning. What kind of debris does this vacuum actually pick up? How strong is it? It can handle pretty much anything that can land in your pool. Leaves, dirt, bugs. You can see a lot of bugs here, plus smaller debris. Pretty much all of these things were picked up very easily. For me, I would say the biggest benefit is simply getting that time back. Instead of manually having to vacuum my pool, I can just charge this up, drop it in, and let it run while I'm doing something else. If you have a pool and you're looking to save some time so that you can spend more of your time enjoying the pool instead of actually cleaning it, I definitely think this iGarden K-Series automatic robot vacuum is worth trying out.